When you use this word as a noun, so you should read this or pronounce this record. When you use this word as a verb, so you should then pronounce it record. As a noun, record. As a verb, record. Do not read selected, printed. Read them as selected, printed. Hello, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Hope you are good and having quality time. Today I have come up with English pronunciation top rules. I am hopeful that this lesson is going to be helpful in your learning journey. When you read or say this word, do not read or pronounce this word worked. Read this worked because it has soft pronunciation. Do not say liked. Say liked. Worked, liked. And when you find the word which end with TED, so you should read them as correctly selected, printed. Do not read them as wrong way selected, printed, printed, selected, tid. Lose. This word should be pronounced lose, and the next one is loose. Lose, loose. Do not read this word as message. This is message. Also similar kind of word which end with age, like message. This is the correct pronunciation, message. And the next one is courage. Courage. Message, courage. Do not read this word as kindness, happiness. The correct pronunciations are of these words happiness, kindness. Happiness, kindness. Or happiness, kindness. Happiness, kindness, happiness or kindness. Nis or ness, both are correct, but not ness. Ness is a wrong way to pronounce these such kind of words. Here I have got the pair of word cake, kite. Do not read them as cake or kite. They are cake, kite, because they have got hard pronunciation. There are many English words which end with les, such as baseless or jobless. Don't read them as baseless, jobless. Just pronounce them correctly. Jobless, baseless. Do not read them wrong way. Taste, teen. They are correctly pronounced as taste, teen. I've got advanced pronunciation of these words. Sing, singer, king, king. Don't read them or pronounce them as king, sing. That is a wrong way of pronunciation of these words. The right way of pronouncing these words is sing, sing, singer, king. Not sing or king. Sing, king. Sing, singer, king. Two more other words. Read them as question, suggestion. Suggestion or suggestion. Question, not question or suggestion. Question, suggestion, chun. Now we are going to learn here the right pronunciation of P, the letter P. Passage, people. Passage, people. When you pronounce this word as a noun, so you should read this as present. But if you want to use this as a verb, so you should pronounce this present. As a noun, present. As a verb, present. Here is the next word, increase, decrease. Do not read them as increase or decrease. Increase, decrease. When you use this word as a noun, so you should pronounce this word as record. But if you want to use this as a verb, so you should pronounce this record. As a noun, record. As a verb, record. This has been Nusrat Hussain from Life Skills Green. Talk soon.